Concluding, today you learned how to generate XML files using Export XML task, XML File Destination, and XML Generator Transform. We went through how to construct XML, add XML elements, attributes, and arrays. We also covered namespaces, datetime format configuration, and other advanced options. You found out how to output XML in different modes, split it by size, rows number, or compress it. You learned that you can save the output XML to a file, SFTP or FTPS, Azure Blob storage, Amazon S3 storage, or submit it to an API. We also touched how to use Fiddler to debug HTTP requests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other ZappySys 101 videos.